Happy morning, children. I hope you are all safe. Now we are meeting after our Diwali and Children's Day, right? So you would have celebrated well. Now it's time for us to return to our classes. Okay, what is the day today? It's Monday, of course, very good. So what is the date? It is November 16, right? So what is special on November 16, children? What is celebrated on November 16? Any idea or any guesses? So if you have guessed, very good. Otherwise, I am going to tell you the answer. So on November 16, we celebrate, what is this? By seeing these pictures, what does come to our mind? News, reporters, right? So we celebrate National Press Day. What is it? National Press Day on November 16. What is celebrated on November 16? Yeah, it is National Press Day is celebrated on November 16, right? So why? What is the need to celebrate? The media is called the fourth pillar of democracy. What is it? Fourth pillar of democracy. So if the media peoples are not there, whether we are aware of what is happening in the outside world? No. So they play a major role in revealing the truth to us. It is said that the journalists are the mirror of society. What is it? The journalists are mirror of society, which brings out the truth even in adverse circumstances. So we would respect them and we celebrate National Press Day. Now back to our class. What is the chapter which we are going to see now? Yeah, it is chapter 15. Very good. Chapter 15. So what is it? It is light lesson. What is it? Light. So these are all the topics which we had discussed in the previous session, right? What introduction of light, definition, properties of light, light travels along a straight line, reflection. What is meant by reflection? What is meant by image? Laws of reflection, types of reflection. So in today's class, we are going to discuss the two topics, that is spherical mirror. What is it? Spherical mirror. So in spherical mirror, we have two classifications. They are concave and convex mirror. So this is a topic which we are going to discuss in today's session. So after the holidays, we are meeting, right? So I am going to give you an introduction and a recap of what we had seen in the previous session. So as I said you already, light. Without light, there is nothing, right? Sunlight is the main source of light. Sunlight is the main source of light and heat. We have both natural source of light and then artificial source of light. What is it? Natural source and then artificial source. What is it? Natural source. They are moon, light, stars. So artificial is nothing but the man-made things. So and the one more classification we have is luminous and then non-luminous. What is it? Luminous, children? Which the objects which emit their own light are called as luminous objects. Example, sun. And non-luminous, they do not have their own light, absorbs and reflects. They are called as non-luminous objects. Example, moon is a non-luminous source. Moon does not emit its own light. It absorbs the light from the sun and emits it during the night time. Okay, children? Next, what is mean by light? Light or visible light? It is commonly called as electromagnetic radiation. That is EM radiation that can be detected by human eye. We are able to see light. Right? Then properties of light. Reflection of light. What is that reflection? So it falls and comes back. Refraction of light. Next, diffraction of light. Interference of light. That is two light waves combines to give one. Polarization. So polarization does not take place naturally. Right? So what is that polarization? Light spreads in all directions. So by the method of polarization, we are sending that only in a particular direction. That is called polarized light. And then dispersion of light. scattering of light. Okay, children. So what is this refraction? That is nothing but bending of light waves. Okay. So we saw one more important point, that is light always travels along a straight line. So have you performed this activity, children? So if you perform, take a video and send it in classroom. Okay. Otherwise, take a shot of the activity and post it in our WhatsApp group also. Next, what is this reflection? The change in direction of light by mirror is called reflection of light. So if you want to change the light path, that is the direction of light, we can use mirror. I said you right, playing with mirror on sunlight. So if you have mirror, so if you are showing that in the direction of sun rays, it falls on the mirror and reflects. We are able to see that light. That is called reflection of light. And then image. So image of an object can be defined as the impression. So that is created by the light. As I said you already, the distance between the image and mirror are same. So consider a mirror and what is it? Image. That is the object. So the distance between mirror and image and object and mirror are equal. If the object moves back, the image also moves back. So the image can be defined, that is the impression created by the light. Next thing, what do we see? Image of a candle in a plane mirror. Right? And the next topic is erect image. What is that erect, children? Same. Same as that of object. If we get the image same as that of object, it is called as erect image. Same as it is. Okay? And then inverted image. Inverted is, what is that? Upside down. Upside down. So you would have studied this pinhole camera in the 6th standard, right? So there, what is the image we get? We get an inverted image in a pinhole camera. Next topic is laws of reflection. So we have a highly polished mirror surface. So the light rays comes and falls on this mirror at a point P. So after it, what happens? The light rays are reflected back from this point. Reflected from this point. So the ray which comes are called as incident ray and the reflected one are called as reflected ray. We are going to draw a line. We are going to draw a line perpendicular. What is it? Perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. You know what is mean by parallel and perpendicular, right, children? So I have said you this in the last class. So we are going to draw a line perpendicular to this mirror surface. This line is called as normal line. What is it? Normal line. So you are clear about this. What is this? P, incident ray, reflected ray and a normal ray. So what is this I? The angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is called as angle of incidence I. What is it? The angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is called as angle of incidence I. And then the angle between the normal ray and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflectance R. So what is the two laws of reflection? Yes. So the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is the first point. Look at here. So you have here angle of incidence and then angle of reflection. These both are equal. That is the first law of reflection. And then what is the second one? Yeah, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray all lie in a same point on a plane. So look at here. All these lies on a same single point called P. That is the second law. Okay, children. Next one is types of reflection. They are regular reflection and then irregular or diffused reflection. So this regular reflection takes place on smooth polished surface, right? So they are parallel to each other. And irregular reflection takes place on rough surface, which are irregular. Here the rays will be reflected here and there, not in a same manner. Next topic, what is the today's topic? I said we are going to discuss about spherical mirror. What is it? Spherical mirror. Before going into the spherical mirror, you need to know what is mean by mirror. Look at here. A polished or smooth surface that forms images by reflection is called as mirror. So what is mean by mirror, children? By reflection it forms image. Image is formed on a mirror. This is called as mirror. So whether we are able to get the image on some irregular surface? No. We are going to get the image only on smooth surface. We will be getting, but it is not of, it does not follow the laws of reflection. Okay. Then types of mirror. We have different types of mirror. The first one is plane mirror. What do you mean by plane mirror? A plane mirror is a mirror with flat reflective surface. What is it? Plane mirror. So the mirror which are using in our house to see our faces, right? That is plane mirror. Its surface is flat. Look at here. So the child is seeing his face in a mirror. What is this mirror? Plane mirror. And then second one. What is the second one? Curved mirror. What is it? Curved mirror. It can be curved inward or outward. A curved mirror is a mirror with a curved reflecting surface. So the plane mirror is of flat and curved mirror are curved. Okay. These curved mirror are either curved inward or outward. Okay, children. So curved mirror. Examples of curved mirror are spherical mirror. We can say them as either curved or spherical. Okay. They have a spear-like shape. Look at here, children. So these are all some of the examples of spherical mirror. The spherical mirror belongs to the category of curved mirror. So the examples of curved mirror are spherical mirror. Then we have two types of spherical mirror. First, we have discussed about mirror. And then types of mirror. In that we have two types. One is the plane mirror. Sorry. And then the next one is the curved mirror. Examples of curved mirror, I said you, spherical mirror. The spherical mirror comes under the category of curved mirror. So this spherical mirror are of two types. One is convex mirror and then concave mirror. What is it? Convex mirror and then concave mirror. So for this activity to perform, bring a spoon. What is it? Bring a spoon, stop the video, go, bring a spoon and then come and sit. Fast. Okay, now you all have a spoon in your hand, right? So just listen here. You all have children? Okay. So take the spoon. Okay. Look. So what do you observe on this side? What do you observe here? So how the image looks like? How the image looks like? Just observe. Yes. We'll be observing an inverted image on this side. So what is this called as concave? If it is curved inward, what is it? Curved inward. This is called as concave mirror. On concave mirrors, we will be getting inverted image. Then turn the next side. That is the side which is which is curved outward.